Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2011 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 with 228 horsepower and 221 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch 5-spoke aluminum wheels. Black MB text interior with a burl walnut trim. Sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats. 60/40 fold down rear seats. Memory seats. Steering wheel controls. Media display. Hard keys for the radio. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Automatic transmission. Turn wheel for infotainment center. This C-Class has 85,447 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.